Catch the Open is both a game and a course. In this video, we will focus on the two modules about open education that are integrated in the game and the units of learning that they contain. The modules are based on real experiences gathered from universities in Europe and around the world. This content is found when Alex interacts with the other characters and with the things she finds as she moves through the game. For example, when Alex finishes talking to Professor Grouchy, you can click on the book and learn how an Italian professor wrote an open book for his subject. The learning units present materials that describe open educational concepts and practice. You can skip them by clicking on the last item, although if you do that, you won't get a badge to accredit your learning. If you want to learn more, you can click on I want to learn about. For example, if you click on the first one, it shows that there are 3 levels of depth for this topic that you can explore as you wish. The other option is to assess your knowledge of open education. If you want, you can do this without reading the contents in the unit of learning. If you click on I have taken the course and want to test, you will be taken to questions about this particular topic in the unit of learning. To pass and get the corresponding badge, you have to answer all of them correctly. When you have finished the unit of learning and want to continue with the module, just click on the last item. The story continues, offering you opportunities to put into practice what you have learned. At this point, you've completed level 1 of the module. You can carry on learning about the module by clicking on Continue with the course, or finish the module by doing a reflection test and seeing a summary of your learning. If you choose to continue with the course, Alex can carry on interacting with the people and objects in the classroom. This will help you to go deeper into the educational practices covered by the topic. You should pay attention to the messages you receive, which will tell you what you can do next. Just follow the instructions to continue learning. Then you can take the self-reflection test, which helps you to consolidate your learning. When you have finished the test, you have 2 options: to view the summary of your learning or to exit to return to the hall and go to other classrooms.